Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to create and assign task lists in UPBASE, the full 2025 guide. First things first, log into your UPBASE account. It's where all the magic happens. The reason we do this is to gain access to your project and task management tools. Now that we've done that, look for the Project tab on the top menu. Click on it and select the project you want to create the task list for. If you're part of multiple projects, make sure you're in the right one. This helps us because it keeps our tasks organized by project, making management that much easier. Next up, on the project dashboard, you'll find the task list option on the left-hand side. Click on New Task List. This will open up a form where you can name your list and add a brief description. Remember, a well-named task list can be a lifesaver when you're juggling multiple tasks. Once you've created your task list, it's time to add some tasks. Hit the Add Task button and fill in the details like task name, description, and due date. Let me explain why this matters. Clear and specific tasks make it easier for everyone to understand what needs to be done and by when. Now, here's what's happening behind the scenes. As you add tasks, UPBASE automatically sorts them by their due dates, helping keep your workflow organized. But we're not done yet. It's time to assign these tasks. Click on a task, and you'll see the Assign button. Click on it, and you'll be able to select team members to assign the task to. The reason we do this is to delegate work and make sure everyone knows what they're responsible for. And there you have it. You've just created and assigned a task list in UPBASE. Remember, good project management is all about staying organized and communicating clearly. And with UPBASE, that's just a few clicks away. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video where we'll explore more ways to maximize your productivity with UPBASE. Until then, stay productive and keep creating.